Hello guys, today we will see how to set up a Jupyter service without the Anaconda. It's so simple and easy. So let's get started. So for this tutorial, I will use one resource. I will share it with you. Here is the resource. This a blog. It's a nice blog. It will guide us how to set up a Jupyter notebook. So, but before I will show you one thing like for example you are set up a virtual environment here so for that what I will do I have to for a, it's a best practice to activate a virtual environment uh, and work in it. So for this tutorial, I will activate or use a virtual environment name base env. So how I created it. So for that I use a command. So with this command I created that virtual environment. So now I have to activate that virtual environment from here via this command. So after activating, I have to install Jupyter. So I started already. So for you, you have to install this Jupyter. So it's already installed. Now, what I have to do after that? Now, uh, I'm using Jupyter Lab. So you have to just enter this command. So it will open a Jupyter Lab in a browser. So let's see. So here you can see it's open a Jupyter. So it's here you can see it's opening now. See Jupyter lab is open now. So if I have to create a new file, let's create a new file like this. For example, this one I create a new file. So see a new file is created, but it is usually the default IPy kernel, which is Python kernel. It's a default one. So here you don't see any base env a virtual environment. So we have to integrate or we have to activate or add uh, our base env which we created. Uh, so we will be able to use that virtual environment in our Jupyter lab. So for that I have to what I have to do is close it, and I have to close this thing here. So let's go to this block here. We did this thing. This you can use virtual env as well as you can use the venv command which I used before, and then activate is for Linux, but I use a command for Windows, and then pip install Jupyter which we did, and now leave this now this thing here. We have to do this thing, this command. So just copy it. uh, we'll see it here like this is a command python minus m IPythonKernel install dash user dash name. So what the name will be? Our virtual environment name. So see this thing and this is similar. Okay, so run it. Now it's installed kernel specs base env. So it's installed Jupyter kernels. So cd and then here just open the virtual. You can use a virtual notebook or a Jupyter notebook or Jupyter lab. So I'm using Jupyter lab. Okay, it's contains some more additional specs, so that's why I'm using this Jupyter lab. So here you can see we have the Jupyter lab is created now. Let's create a new file here. This I created a new file and it's asking for a kernel. So it's a default kernel, but I am using a base env, so a base env, and I will select it. So here, so now I can use this virtual environment and the libraries inside this virtual environment I can install here. It will not consume my base or my default kernel. So the libraries which I will using it will be in this base env. So you can utilize this. So next time whenever you want to use this Jupyter notebook or Jupyter lab, so what you will do, just close it for now and then let me close it. So for example, uh, you open your laptop and you want to do code in that and that Jupyter environment. So what you have to do, you have to one thing you have to just window R and then write cmd and enter. So you will open a cmd here. So you can use this, but for example, I have my virtual environment is here in this directory, so I have to just open a cmd here and then just activate that uh, virtual environment. It is necessary to activate before uh, opening Jupyter. Okay, so it is activated now. Now I have to navigate to my project directory or my directory where I am working. So here now I have to open a Jupyter lab. So see, so here I can select the base environment which I created. So this I'm working in this environment now. So for example, I want to work in this another environment rather than base, or I'm utilizing this, so I have to activate this. Otherwise, if I want to utilize any other virtual or any other kernel or virtual environment, so for that I have to add that virtual environment here as I add this one. So you have to add that for that particular project, and then you have to utilize Jupyter Notebook here. So it's working, okay, and you can use Jupyter this much easy without installing any Anaconda. So that's all for this tutorial.